How to copy Instagram profile link URL. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application. So first and foremost, you have to click on and update your application. Make sure your application is updated. Now here, it will lead you here to your homepage, right? Now what you're gonna do is on the bottom part here, you'll see your profile, and here you will be redirected to your profile. Now, where to find or how to copy Instagram profile link URL. So what you're gonna do is here on your profile, you will see here edit profile and share profile option here. Click on share profile and it will give you the QR code for your Instagram profile. Now, since we want to get the URL, what you're going to do is to tap on copy link here. And then what you're going to do is to send it to someone. So let's say here. Then all you have to do is to paste it here. And basically, that is it. And that is how you copy Instagram profile link on URL. And whenever they click on that, they will be directed to your Instagram profile. And basically, that is it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.